Hello, my name is Haley Bodewig, and this is my screencast analyzing the political apology crisis in regards to Donald Trump's record release. Donald Trump apologizes for controversial video remarks made in response to his crude rant/remarks against women. It has been a political controversy issue of whether or not Donald Trump is crude towards women or if he is defining the situations that have occurred. In this short snip of a video, you will see Donald Trump's release record statement on his apology for his crude remarks about women.
I've never said I'm a perfect person, nor pretended to be someone that I'm not. I've said and done things I regret, and the words released today on this more than a decade-old video are one of them. Anyone who knows me knows these words don't reflect who I am. I said it, I was wrong, and I apologize. I traveled the country.
After viewing his apology and analyzing it, I've seen that his body language is sincere, and that he makes a strong amount of eye contact with the camera addressing the issues up front. He does not have to revert to looking at a sheet of paper or stuttering. He holds himself high and explains that what he has done was not intended to affect the women population. He does not agree with the views of others, but that this situation should be kept between him and the people that it affects. Donald's apology tone was subtle but purposeful, filled with thorough sentences and no jerking of head motions or arm motions throughout. He sits still and composed to explain his side of the story. He takes the time to pronounce every word, indicating that his time pauses are appropriate for the situation. His body language, mixed with his composure and thorough statements, indicate that his apology is meant to be for a wide audience, as he truly builds his apology throughout the entire 2-minute video on Fox News Alerts. Overall, it's a great apology video in such a crucial situation. Donald Trump took the high road to bring together the audience and look into the future rather than dwelling on the bad. He took responsibility for his actions, as he did apologize for what he has done in the past, as he has also made a plan to move forward in a calm and leader-born way. Thank you for watching.